Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm John Campo, the Nuts on Eat chef. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do a porchetta or a porchetta. I don't really know which way it's pronounced. I hear it pronounced both ways, but nonetheless I think you know what it is. It's pork belly, loin pork, rolled, spices. It's not going to be an in-depth recipe. It's going to be a just a short video on my first attempt. It'd be great if you like and subscribe and even comment. All right, now let's get on with it. So we're making porchetta or porchetta, depends on, I've watched a bunch of videos and some people say porchetta, some people say porchetta. So what we have here is it's a nice 10-pound debone slab of pork belly, and then we have thyme, rosemary, and sage. We're going to chop those up and we're going to mix that with garlic and some lemon zest. And we're gonna spread it on the inside. We're gonna spread it on the inside, then we're gonna roll it and tie it off and roast it. And that's gonna be dinner tonight. I've got the herbs cut up, and we're gonna just combine them all. Thyme, rosemary, garlic, sage, fennel, and lemon zest. Okay, so we took all the herbs and the lemon. And now what we're going to do is we're going to spread this on the meat.
The roasted peppers are here.
You could have had a snack and then ate for it later.
Stop! That is a snack for me.
All right, we're going to just take it and we're going to cover it and work it in. We're going to roll it and tie it.
It smells strong.
That's gotta go down to nothing, right?
Okay.
I'm sure Joanne's not going to use any on her sandwich.
So, I got, okay. Now this gets rolled. This is going to get rolled as tight as we can, and then we're going to tie it off.
Well, I have 20% off,
So now we tie it off. If you're a butcher and you know how to do the fancy tie, you can do it that way. I don't know how to do it, so I'm just going to do regular. And you tie it nice and tight. You'll notice I have the seam on the bottom. So we're going to do this every couple inches. I'm going to do the two ends and then work the middle, so this way it stays in shape. And that's it. We do that let me finish this up and we'll be back. Okay. So we're all set, we're all tied off, and we're ready to put it in.